Take 1 cup of plant-based milk and microwave it for 1 minute. Then sprinkle the yeast into the warm milk and mix it in. Let it rest until it's all foamy, then you know that it's ready to use. Mix 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add the foamy yeast mixture to the dry ingredients. Pour in a 1/4 cup of canola oil, and then mix it until it forms a smooth, soft dough. Cover the dough and then let it rest for 1 hour. For the filling, add 1 cup of brown sugar and 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Mix it well before you add 1/4 cup of canola oil. After the dough is rested for 1 hour, it should be super soft and very fluffy. Roll it out into an even rectangle less than 1 centimeter thick. Then spread the filling evenly, and if you want, you can also add pecan nuts. Then roll your cinnamon buns. Grease a pan. I used canola oil for this. Then cut your roll into 12 to 15 even pieces and place them in the pan. Then cover those and let them rest for another hour. They should grow and fill up the whole pan. Now mix 1/4 cup of plant-based milk with a touch of maple syrup. Bake your rested buns at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then remove them from the oven and pour the milk mixture on top. This will cook off in the oven and help the buns stay soft inside and brown on the top. Bake these for another 20 to 25 minutes. Take them out of the oven and let them cool off a little. If you want icing, mix some powdered sugar with vanilla extract and some plant-based milk. Add more milk until you reach the desired consistency.